Now, configure mobile device apps, mobile apps, iOS apps, app stores, and developer tools. Android apps, Google Play, third-party stores. Okay, now we'll understand about iOS apps. So you must have seen in Apple phones, there is an option of App Store where you can download the application which you want to install in your phone. Like WhatsApp, for an example, you can download the WhatsApp from your App Store like this. It will get downloaded in your phone and you can start using it. There are developer tools which is mainly used by the backend developers or the technicians when your devices has any software related issues. Android applications where you can download the applications via Google Play. You download those applications and you can install it in your system, on your laptop, in your phones, and you can use it. You can even uninstall this if you don't want to or don't wish to keep those applications in your devices. Third-party stores. You can also download the application from the third-party stores, but they are not trustworthy. They may contain malware or any sensitive information can also get leaked. Now, the permissions. Here, whenever you download any application, like it will ask you for many permissions. You can see in this picture, if you're downloading a WhatsApp, the WhatsApp will ask you for the permission to read your contact, your photos, your microphones, and your camera. It also asks you for the mobile data permission because WhatsApp runs on data, internet connection. I'll tell you why we need to give this permission. First of all, please make sure that whatever permissions that you are giving to a reliable application. WhatsApp needs contact to ensure that he can give you the suggestion that this contact is also available on WhatsApp and you can message them. WhatsApp will also ask you for the permission to access the photos. If you give the access of photos, you can share the photos with your friends and your families. Microphone. You must have used the call feature in WhatsApp. In order to use that call feature, WhatsApp will ask you for the microphone permission. If you enable it, you can make and receive calls and you can hear and speak to the other person outside where you are talking to them. Account setup. All right. So here you can understand that whenever you are buying a new Apple devices, you have to register for an Apple ID. You can register it with your phone and with your email ID. You need your name. You have to ensure with a password so that no other person can use your Apple ID. This is the Apple ID, how it looks. Now, the name, phone number, and email you have to enter correctly to ensure that you have made an Apple ID securely, and password and security is something that you have to encrypt your data or your ID in for future purpose. Nobody can use that without you. Once you enter the email, phone number, and name, you will be getting an OTP on your phone as well as on your email to register for the Apple ID. This is mainly for the single user devices for Apple ID, and for multiple app accounts for digital identities. This account setup also works for Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, and iCloud. Mainly, you have seen if you're using Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, and iCloud, it is mainly used for digital identities. Now, types of data to synchronize: contacts, calendar, mail, picture, music, videos, and documents, and applications. We'll understand about the contact first. Contacts. Whenever you are setting up an account on your iPhones or on your mobile, you have to synchronize your previous data on that particular phone. You can use it by using the same Apple ID in your new devices or on your new iPhone or iPad or MacBook, where your contact which you have saved in that Apple ID will get synchronized in that new devices. So you don't have to import the data manually or with any other tool. Calendar. mail. Similarly, you can also synchronize your calendar, your mail, your picture, music, videos, and documents, also your applications. So whatever applications you have downloaded in your phone, if you want to synchronize those applications in your iPad, you just have to enter that iPad with the same Apple ID which you have entered before in your phone, and automatically all the applications will also get synchronized on the iPad. You don't have to manually download it once again from the App Store. Passwords can also get synchronized if you allow for that. I would personally recommend to disable this option in order to ensure your data is not get breached. Email configuration option, commercial provider email configuration, and the corporate ISP mail. I'll let you know. If you want to configure your email on your phone, you just have to go to the email account. If you have an Gmail, you just have to click with the Gmail. You have to enter your email ID and password, click on next. Then you have to enter the password as well. Once you are done with that ID and password, your email will get configured in that device. Corporate and ISP email configuration. In some devices where you want to configure the corporate email, your office email in that particular device, you can also do that. It can also get auto discover or manually configure over the server connection. Manual configures, that is SMTP and CompTIA map servers. Server address, connection security, and default or custom port for all kind of manual setup is required. Now, synchronization method. Okay, now if you want to synchronize your data with cloud, like if you want to synchronize your calendar, your contact, your documents, your drives, your Gmail, your application, your password as well, you can just have to go to the Google account on your phone. You just need to enable this the way it has been done for documents, drives, and Google Fit data. If you want to synchronize the Gmail, you just need to turn on like this, and all these things like calendar, Gmail will also get synchronized. You can also set up a cap like to storage limit for the accounts. Now, transfer limit for cellular data. You can always limit the cellular data according to your wish. Now, synchronization to the PCs. In earlier days, we're using the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and USB file transfer to synchronize our data in your personal computer, also on the laptop. Nowadays, you can also see some automobiles like cars who you have the facility of a smart device attached to the car dashboard where you can synchronize your data, your contacts, your music, videos on that particular devices.